So for this kind of plantain, it has to be yellow, kind of darkish. The darker it gets, or the riper, darker means riper, the sweeter it gets. It cannot be green. The riper, the better, in my opinion. This one is something in between. You just cut this thin, then you peel it. Make a little stab, and then you start peeling the baby. That's simple. See? See how ripe it is? And you can make another cut here to make things easier. You know, if you make another cut here. And we cut, an incision, then it's much easier to peel. See? These babies are ripe. Comes out very easily. Then you're going to cut this baby in slices. See? These kind of slices. I changed knife because I wanted one that can manage easier. See? Just baby slices. This is how they're going to look. Slices like this. See? So you're going to have a pot, and I'm using a small one. You can use a larger one. High heat, just to make sure these babies are hot. And then I'm going to reduce the heat to a couple notches above medium. I'm going to have handy a paper plate. You can have any plate, but make sure you have some napkins, because when you finish frying, you're going to transfer here to drain, so the grease can drain out a little bit. So what you're going to do, you're going to add, and this is vegetable oil. You can use any type of oil. You just have to make sure this baby are submerged. If they are not submerged, then you have to flip them around a little bit. And you're going to let this baby fry. It's going to be very simple. And for this type of ripeness, it took about 4 minutes. See how nice it look. Transfer to another paper, you know, to do. And if this was riper, meaning a much more ripe level of ripeness, they will be even softer. Look at this beauty. And sweeter, softer and sweeter. But this is perfect level too, by the way. It comes down to personal preference.